Up with there right now live with WHAS 11's Clarice Shaley and photojournalist Levi Hammer. They are right now along one of those very emergency routes. And Clarice, important to note that police will actually tow your car to a different parking lot in the area, not to the impound lot.
Yes, Doug, and right here on Frankfort Avenue is one of those routes. LMPD says there's 140 roads throughout the metro that are a part of the emergency snow route. So you need to move your car. Why? Because they lead to essential services like hospitals, the Metro Safe, and the jail. So police will be monitoring and watching these roads tonight, and they're not the only ones that are preparing for that snow tomorrow.
Hey, how are you?
Warm food rolls in.
Let's see what we have today. Looks like some carrots is in here too. Oh, this is gonna be so yummy.
And goes straight to grateful hands.
Thank you. You are so welcome.
Louisville activist Chanelle Helm is at the front of it.
And you want to put 4 in your bag? You're welcome.
Working with a group called Snapback. She brings food to senior and disabled tenants of the California Square 1 apartments ahead of cold temperatures and snow.
Everybody knows they have to hunker down at home. Everybody's at the grocery store right now, and many of the shelves are bare.
What we got today?
We got like shepherd's pie without the...
Helm coordinates with Janine Loudon to bring the food.
It's such a blessing because we don't know if we're going to be here Monday or Tuesday, or, snowed in for the weekends.
A warm cup of coffee, a soup, amen. Somebody just to help them through this cold.
As nightfall comes on the eve of the snowfall, the doors are wide open at Gospel Missionary Church. 33rd and Vermont Avenue, they are ready to serve people food and warm hearts.
This is a great opportunity, not only for this little small church to be able to do a big thing.
So if your cars are like these, you need to move them. Otherwise, they will be towed. And if when they are taken, they will be taken to the closest off of their original location. Live on Frankfort Avenue, Clarice Shaley, WHAS 11 Night Team on your side.